Hi guys, it's me back Shiza. I see that some of you might have seen my previous video where I told you guys about learning coach. So in this video, we're gonna learn about one new gem. So come on, ready? Let's start. Let's go in Google, Gemini, and now here we are in Gemini. Let's go and explore gems. Here are all of our gems. Last time, first we did storybook, then we did learning coach, and today we're going to do partner. Here is our coding partner. Well, now let's do the full screen, and here the window is got for like short out. Yeah, that's fine. So now here we are. So if you know about coding partner, some of you do not. So coding partner is to help you learn coding and level up your coding skills. So now let's ask coding partner now what we are here to learn about coding today. And so now let's ask coding partner if he can tell us about var, let and const. So now let's enter it. Enter, there you go. Now I'm gonna read it. Hello, I'm coding partner and I'm here to help you with tasks like writing code, fixing code, and understanding code. Var is function scope, let is block scope, cons cons is as well block scope. I'm not here to tell you about concepts, but I'm here to tell you about coding partner. Now let's try something different. You guys might know about even and odd numbers. Some of you might not. Some of you might still be learning about those numbers, but some of you have already learned. Let's ask coding partner if it can generate 10 even numbers. Let's type it. Now let's enter it. Ooh, that's a great coding exercise. I can certainly write the JavaScript code to generate the first 10 even numbers. Let's look at the code. And here is our coding. Let's see what it has written. This variable holds the value of 10. This variable has an empty array. And this is a console statement. This is a loop to control our output. Bingo! This is a function call to print our even numbers. And coding partner can also generate our websites. So let's see that. Let's start a new chat. Done. Let's go in tools, canvas. Let's ask Coding Partner to generate a page for me. Let's hit enter. It's generating the HTML code. Wow, here is the preview. Let's explore this. We have click. Ooh, we can click for surprise. Can I? Press me. Keep coding and keep shining bright. And a party emoji. That's cute. Let's check this. And now let's check the potion that added. And now let's check this potion. Ooh, it's purple, my favorite color. We can ask Gemini about the section. Ooh. And guys, as you see that on the left side, it's explained us about this component over here. Let's explore the next button in the bar. This button is saying add Gemini features. So let's click it. Let's see what features it is adding. Wow, it is saying I've added a project idea generator. So let's check it out. Let's click this. Done. Came up something super cool. New idea sounds like, oh well, we got the idea. Let's read it. That sounds like so much fun. Let's create the sparkling splash page. Super cool. With Coding Partner, you can easily make games and web pages. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.